We're going to be using the Perception app to take a look at scatterplots as well as Pearson's R. To get started, highlight the passcode, copy it, click on the Provide Passcode button, paste in the field the passcode, click OK. Then click on Start, and now you'll see that we are looking at scatterplots as well as Pearson's R. We want to click on the one that's the weakest correlation, that represents the weakest correlation. And of course, 0 would be the weakest correlation possible. Stronger correlations would be +1, that's as strong as you can get, or -1, that's also as strong as you can get. So the further you are from 0, the stronger the correlation. The closer you are to 0, the weaker, and that's the one that we want. So by doing this activity, you're going to become more familiar with how to read scatter plots and also how to get a sense of how they compare against a Pearson's R value. And this is one of those things that really practice just helps you to get better and better at this. So eventually you can just kind of eyeball a scatter plot and have a general idea of about how strong of a correlation it is. So we'll be doing about 30 of these decisions. And of course, the faster you go with accuracy, the better. In this case, our accuracy was 96.67%. Decision time was 0.15 seconds. And since this met the performance threshold, when I click menu, it'll give me a completion code. But if for some reason, if it hadn't, then it would say here continue. And I could click on the continue and then just try it again until I got better and better at the activity. So I'll click menu. My completion code is 901. I'll scroll down. I'll put in 901 into the answer spot. And then I'll go ahead and click submit quiz. And that's it.